Welcome to the Komby Reservations tutorial. Use the timeline view to see all slots for the service day. Filter reservations by lunch or dinner service. Table colors show live status on the floor plan. Check reservation statuses on the list view. Add a new reservation from the floor plan or list. Enter guest contact details on the reservation. Assign a table when creating or editing a reservation. Add notes, special requests, and occasion tags. Move a reservation to another table on the floor plan. Cancel a reservation from the booking details screen. Add a walk-in guest directly from the floor plan. Combine tables for large parties. Manage the waiting list by time slot. Review and return reservation phone calls. Create and edit time slots with seat limits. Close today or block dates for online booking. Scan a guest QR code to check them in. Filter booking history by date and status. Configure table layout, capacity, and zone.